thin. I trace your name against my skin. Your voice still echoes through the rain, like lullabies beneath the pain.
I hold your letter in my coat, each line a breath, a whispered note. The silence breaks with distance far, but still your words pull me high.
We love beneath a sky of ash, when all the world began to crash. But in the dark we found our flame and kissed between the burst and blame.
The sirens sang, the windows bled, yet I still dreamed of what you said, that even war could not erase the warmth of one remembered face.
Through shattered stone and frozen mud, I searched for hope beneath the flood. And though the world was torn in two, I only marched my way to you.
We love beneath a sky of ash, when all the world began to crash. But in the dark we found our flame and kissed between the burst and blame. If time should take what war has spared, let it remember how we care.
Two hearts that dare to bloom and twine,
While all around the world declined.
we loved beneath a sky of ash.
Now only ghosts retrace our path, but still your name in me will shine.